Pineapples are not just grown in Hawaii. South Florida is a great location. A pineapple plant can be started in two ways, by the pineapple tops or by a sucker off an existing plant. To plant the tops, pick your favorite pineapple. Take full grip of the top of the pineapple, then twist. Cut off any of the remaining fruit. Then peel back the leaves to make sure there is enough room for the roots to grow. Starting a plant from a sucker is done from removing a sucker off of the parent plant. This will be a larger plant than the tops. Again, you'll need to peel back the leaves to have enough room for the roots to grow. Before you plant, make sure your bed is ready. Sprinkle the soil with a 10-10-10 fertilizer and a mixture of micronutrients. Then, turn the soil to make sure the nutrients and fertilizer is equally distributed without. The plants can be planted close together. This will help the plants lean on each other when they get heavy with fruit. Certain types of pineapple can take up to 2 years to grow, so be mindful you're not going to get pineapples immediately. A pineapple forms in the middle of the plant and will grow into a lovely fruit. If you like this video, leave us a like and subscribe for more content. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below or contact us at beirigerfarm@gmail.com.